In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up contact form in Wix. If you've been wondering how to provide your website visitors with an easy and dynamic way to get in touch with you, adding a pop-up contact form is a great solution. It's a simple yet effective method to enhance user interaction on your site. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up the Wix website. So go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website you want to add the pop-up form to. This might seem obvious, but make sure you're in the editor view of the correct site. It's a good idea to double-check at this stage to ensure you're making changes in the right place. Once you're in, it's time to add the elements you need. Look for the option that says Add Elements on the left-hand side of your editor. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of different components you can add to your website. Focus on the Interactive option. This is where the magic happens. Within the interactive section, you'll find a feature called Lightboxes. Think of lightboxes as pop-ups that capture your visitors' attention immediately when they land on a particular page or perform a specific action. Scroll through the various templates available under lightboxes. You should see a range of options, each designed to suit different styles and purposes. Find a template that fits your site's aesthetic or functional requirements. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. This action will automatically add the lightbox to your site. The Wix editor does a great job of integrating this feature seamlessly, so you'll notice how the lightbox appears as part of your design layout. Next, you'll want to customize the lightbox's behavior. Click on Set Triggers. This is important because it allows you to determine how and when the pop-up will appear to your visitors. You'll also need to name your lightbox. Choosing a distinctive and descriptive name will help you manage it effectively, especially if you decide to add more lightboxes down the line. In the settings, you'll have an option to set the lightbox to appear automatically. You can toggle this to Yes if you want it to pop up as soon as a visitor lands on the page. Additionally, you can pick a specific page where the pop-up should appear, set a schedule for when it should be active, or decide under what conditions it should close. This kind of customization ensures that your pop-up is both functional and non-intrusive. For further personalization, explore the layout settings. You can adjust the layout from left to right, or customize other features to align with your website's branding. Take this opportunity to tweak the design, size, and position to make it as effective and engaging as possible. And there you have it. With a few clicks and thoughtful customization, you've added a pop-up contact form to your Wix website. Thanks for tuning in and happy web designing.